All right, so this one looks like it's a part of their collection saber. And the box is really nice, is something that I'm noticing already. Really nice packaging. It looks like it's not gonna be too much assembly because it looks like, I mean, it should be already in one piece basically, but we'll go on ahead and see. So for assembly, it wasn't all in one piece, but it was really easy to put together. It came with an instruction manual, which walks you through kind of exactly how it works in the different settings and how to get there. It comes with a stand to set it on, a charging cord. Here's me putting together the stand real quick. There's that charging cord I was talking about. The packaging's really nice. And here's the handle, the best part. It's made of aluminum alloy, so it's really light and it's a really high quality material, so you don't gotta worry about it breaking at all. And it feels really durable. The blade is made of PVC, which is actually really nice because you don't have to worry about it breaking, and you can even duel with it. You can hit it up against stuff and have fun. So when I put the saber in, I was wondering if it was gonna click or anything like that, but it did not. So I see these little holes in here, so it looks like I'm gonna have to use those screws that I had and screw them on in to tighten up the saber blade so that it doesn't come out when I'm dueling. So when you're putting in the screws, be really careful because they're really, really small. I actually ended up accidentally dropping them onto the floor, which you'll see I have to go try to find them right now. But I was able to find them and put them back in. And I also wanted to mention it even comes with the little tool that you need to be able to put the screws in, which is really helpful for people that might not have one at home. All right, so we got it all assembled.